From Ogidi town of Anambra State, we bring you the prestigious Alommuo Festival of Ogidi town. It is that time of the year. His Royal Majesty Igwe elects Uzo Onido. It's Yam for the first time in the year. Some parts of Igbo land call it the New Yam Festival. Yes, seated are dignitaries. His Royal Majesty Igwe elects Uzo Onido of Ogidi Kingdom, welcoming other kings from faraway towns. Igwe is a Chuama of Ogidi Kingdom, flanked by the President General of Ogidi Union Nigeria, the four Pota ministers, the High Chiefs, the Akakakas, the Nzenozo, the Umuapos, the Umuadas. The wife of Igwe Zechuamara Odibeze is on ground to welcome the visiting kings, among other dignitaries. It was at a barrel location as the Onowu to the Igwe was also installed. High Chief Ndiche became the Onowu of the kingdom. Congratulations to the newly installed Onowu of the kingdom. Beyond feeding the mouth with food and drinks, the eyes were also fed.
He praises himself.
The chairman, United Nigeria Airlines, Professor Obioro Okonkwo, did not miss sending his annual car on such occasion. And it is what it is.